Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can translate text using Microsoft Word. So I think it is super simple. For example, I have text and I'm going to translate this text. So just going to review and select translate. So there are two options here, which is translate selection for selected text and translate document or one document. So if you want to select this translate selection, you are just going to select the text before you want to translate and go to translate, select translate selection, and appears the option in the right. So select the language you like, for example, to English. Uh, Select the text and select language and click insert. So you can see the text have the text has been changed. Alright. But if you want to translate the one document, you are just going to select document, drag and select the language, for example select English and go to translate. Now here we go, the text has been translated. Alright, that's how to translate text in Microsoft Word. It's super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.